721 accounts merge to live. All right, so given a list of accounts, where each element I is accounts I is a list of streams, whereas the first element is a name, the rest of them are emails. Now we'd like to merge these accounts. Two accounts definitely belong to the same person if some common email of both accounts. Not that even if two accounts have the same name, they may be belong to different people as they have the same name. Okay, a person that can have any number of accounts initially, but all accounts definitely have the same. After managing account, return the accounts in the following format. The first element of each account is the name, and the rest of them are its emails in sorted order. The accounts themselves can be written in any order. So we have accounts, and we have the same email right here and here. So first one will be join. Right. The second one will do the same. Okay, so the first possible solution, right? What we can do, we can go through the array, right? And and so we go through the array enumerate. Let's get this timer running. We enumerate array, and for example, I don't know how to, if we go, for example, on second array and we verify what is first array, if email is in there, then we have to add it to a list. So what if so which data structure will help me to identify if this email is in this, right? It's a hash map or set. So how about if I create hash map of sets? I feel like I can create class, right? Why not class? Call it entry, and it will have uh, constructor which accept what will accept the constructor, maybe name, right? Name, array of emails, and what it will do, it will assign self name, self emails, and it's also for emails. It will add self, let's say, search. But I want to be able to search across all. No, I need to be able to search across all emails, right? So what I can do, I can enumerate array and add. So I will create hash map with email as a key and this array as a value. Then I can go to the next one in if anything in hash set already, then I will just add it to hash set value. Enumerate array if email is in, let's call it emails, email, if email is in emails, then extract, add, then add all emails to the value, right? And then sort values. Sort values from 1 to end, and construct return the array, right? Because we have to return array. Oh, it's list of lists. Construct return list of lists from hashmap. So right, this look good. Let's do a dry run. So I will create hashmap. I will add this email to hashmap with a link to this structure, then add this email to Shen with the same structure. Then I go to the next. If this email exists, it is exists. Then I will go and add all further emails. Then add all further emails to the value. So let's expand this enumerator array. If email is an else, add email to the let's call it differently. Let's call it map. So to the map. Yeah. With array as a valid. In map. Yep. And then we go further, this does not exist, so we add, this go further, it does not exist, so we add, and we return. Okay, this should work. Let's quickly implement this. So we create map, and then for in accounts, so we got first list inside, then for in range from 1 to length of e if e I in map then we add or we merge e I and e. Okay, so we have to merge to this element this else. We add email to the map with array values and we do map ei equals e. Right? So let's define merge. It will take key value and for so we add in all elements to the end. And we don't need to go further, we have to break here. And then we return. So, oh yeah, let's implement merge. merge will be for k value for map k. We for let's say email in values. We map k add. We can do the map k. It's our list, and then we list add email. We break here. At the end, what we're gonna have a map with all elements in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a result. Then we for array in map, what we're gonna do, we're gonna result add a, and we return result. We have to sort it. But sort. Yeah, let's see how it works first. I wonder if I got everything right. List object has no attribute add. It's probably append. Yeah, for list it's append. Oh yeah. It's items, right? Okay, so problem is that if we have items, how we can get back to, okay, if we have a with a key value pair, um, yeah, that's the problem. So for you, remember items. Mm, 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 mm. Yes. See, so adding this all the time, it's not working good because we have multiple entries, right? We have John Smith, John Yorker. This is added incorrectly. John Workmail, John Smith. So if in map we add merge equals, and we merge an entire thing, so is this going to be repeating? Okay. Okay, so let's list what problems we have right now. So first, reference really doesn't work as a result, because if I'm adding map here to, right, I should create some kind of list of accounts and add not add not list, but let's say enumerate, and we can add index and email, and let's add index. So we added index, then we know which list it exists. So merging will be k. We cannot if we change an index, let's say, so it's 0. So we are adding to list 0, right? So we attach accounts. So now we extract a list by attaching accounts. So first, multiple lists created instead of one in result, right? Second is adding same emails and existing emails. So see if I add if email in health and reappend. This is kind of problem, because how we can do counts here. So I'm merging this to this, which is entire list, to this entire list. So this is a K, and this is an outside list that I'm currently operating. Yeah. So this is E enumerate account. Let's call this account for E range account and list. This is account index, and this is entire account value. For E in range from 1, if element in a map, we merge element, entire thing. So then we add index. See, this is like we add an index, right? So we cannot see right? So map now contains count, and we merging this thing to this thing. We extract list, we add it. Okay, this should work. Except we had to say that this is 0, this is 0, this is maybe 2, this is 3. And in items, we need to add accounts and so index value, key value, right? We add accounts value. Let's see. John Smith. Oh yeah, so we have to do in enumerates is 2. So we at least, if no, uh, with incoming list if in not in a list we append. Int object is not a referable. Oh, I'm adding int. Not k. Why I cannot enumerate lists? This is a, oh, it's index. I have to add. Doesn't matter. I can call enumerate not index but entire thing. Okay, we have it, but no, not the same. Repeating again. So this is a count with its elements. Okay, let's print map. I want to print map to see what is going on. It's a list. How it's at history is set. we add history. We check if key in history, we append, and we add history and key. So in the result, it will be added only once. Key value. So key value. Okay, we have to add value. If value not in history. Okay, merging doesn't look good because why it's adding this one? Okay, I understand that I have to merge two things, but if John is in a list, why should I? No, not like this. Okay, we are getting closer. So we have John Smith, John New York, John Smith again, John Mayo. Okay, this is looking good. We're almost there. The only thing is left is that we have to have it sorted. Python, how to sort lists started from one first element from second element. Create a Kenyan binary and how to sort the list by the first element combination of three. What we can do, we can append so the only problem is this to solve, and the only right this is solved, this is solved, and this is left. Sort started from second element. What we can do, we can create new list, and we can append first account link. So we call it source. So what we append source first element, which is name, and then we append sorted source from 1 to end. And then the result we append let's say we declare new list, right? And we append it here. Let's try this. I'm sure there is like one-liner that can one-liners that can help you to sort. Okay, still run one. Why? Okay, so there is a thingy. Mary is as a separate. Oh, okay, separate append. We need to. Okay, for e in sorted. Now append. Accepted. Submit. Wrong answer. Yes, I see why. So when another problem. Another problem that we have to solve when we add in element to the array. When merge. Okay, when merge, we have to add element with specific index to a map. Right? This is problem number 4. We have to solve. Yes, so when I'm merging this thing, what I have to do, I have to do map with p equal key. Yep, this is what we're missing. Indexes must be integers, not or slices. Okay, map append key. Okay, so must be integers. Must be integers. So map e equal map key, because key is a kind of email. So let's call it key email. Okay, it's not working. Alex Ethan. I don't understand. It may be a different problem. So Kevin expected all Alex, right? Expected all Ethan. Ethan 0, Ethan. Oh, it's repeating. Why it's repeating? Oh, they are like repeating in the source. Okay. So they can repeat in a source. So it kind of should be set. You have to specify index. This problem will be still, but we have another one, which is emails can repeat in accounts must be um, unique in result. I think I eliminated this one, right? Let's produce 5, but it's not tested yet, and the 6 is still. Okay, so it's kind of we have to create sets. Do we have to do like, let's say, let's call accounts, here's a list for in accounts, like data massaging. We create hmm, it's like we are adding to specific, we are adding email, right? But why we have this in first place? Shouldn't we eliminate it here? So when we go to accounts from one, when we see email in the map, right? We added this one, item. We added item to a map. And we know it's already there. And we call merge. We call merge it with itself. Right? And this, so we added 0. So what we're gonna do, we append. So we have incoming list as entire thing. Turn list into set. I think it's just a set, and list, yeah. What? Let's do this thing. Let's do set. yeah, I can do like set from here. It will be redundant because it will be called every time, but will it work? Set object and have attribute pen, then let's add. So we have an index, look it up. Entire thing. And then we get see if key value, if so this is what we got is incoming list, and this is what we got. So if we get k value, k email first, and I have we added list. Okay, let's have a break. Let's have a break and return to part 2 in part 2. Okay, thank you for watching.